chocolate pudding. Okay, I'll go look and see if we have any. Okay, Bree. Look, I found some chocolate pudding. Yay! Okay, let me take your spoon and put your bib on. Okay, Bree, I'm gonna open up your pudding and put it in your bowl. Okay. All of this, but here, let's just get you some pudding. It's gonna get really messy. You want a drink? This is so good.
No, we're glad you like it.
This is getting everywhere.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. You have it everywhere. It's so good though.
She's eating good.
Yeah. And do you like the pudding? Yeah.
Maybe smaller bites. Be easier for her to eat. Are you getting thirsty?
Yeah. Here, let's wipe your face a little bit. You're so messy. I'm gonna try to give her some smaller bites. Do you want a drink? Wake you up. Eat the pudding. I think I gave her too big of a bite. Oh, I'm getting full. Okay, well, do you want one more bite? Yeah. Well, here you go, baby. Drink some water. Is that good?
I'm afraid of what her diaper's gonna look like.
I know. Okay, let's take your bib off. I'm gonna wipe you up. That was good chocolate pudding. Was it? Yeah. Now let's go ahead and change your diaper. Oh my goodness. really, really gross diaper.
She's gonna need a bath after this.
Yep.
Bad. I'm not sure how I'm gonna get that out. Okay, we have her sitting in a bowl. Let's see if we can get some of this to come out.
Oh.
It's really gross. Keep squirting that in there.
It's really fun to feed her chocolate pudding, but it's messy. Oh.
Okay, guys, we don't recommend this.
No. Yeah, don't try this.
Stick to the designated Baby Alive food for her. We are going to stop here and try to clean her up so she doesn't get clogged. So,
thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe. That was good. You was?
bye.
Bye.